Hi student, welcome to Nanda classes. Today we discuss class 9 chemistry is matter around a sphere. It is a revision classes. We are continue. Today is the 5 part of revision classes of this chapter is matter around a sphere. Today we discuss the most important questions which are mostly come in exams and it is very important questions. Okay, so I hope all of you are see the video till end, okay, because you have not seen up to the end of the videos, then we cannot understand completely. Okay, so let's start. The first questions are, what are the difference between compounds and mixture? Okay, so compounds, how the compounds are formed? The compounds are formed by the mixtures of two or more elements in a definite ratio. They are form compounds. Mainly the example of compounds are the H2O. In H2O, hydrogens are 2 atoms and oxygens are 1 atoms. We change only 1 atom of oxygen or hydrogen, then this is not H2O. So the compounds is always in a fixed ratio or fixed proportions. For example, H2SO4. In H2SO4, what are 2 atoms of hydrogens? Okay, H2S, 1 atom of sulfur and 4 atom of oxygens. That is what are compounds. And in mixtures, mixtures are the combination of 2 or more pure substance, then they form mixtures. And mixtures are again divided into what are homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Okay, this one we are discussed. So mixtures are anything we have to mix. Then suppose the mixture of sand and common salt plus iron particle plus sulfur. These are the mixtures. That time we have to make the building, then that time though we mix the cement, sand, stone, then that time this one also form a mixtures. Okay, air is also a best example of mixtures, because in air hydrogens, nitrogens, okay, oxygens or many gases are mixed. So this is also a mixtures. LOS is an also example of mixtures. Next are the homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. So homo means what are same. The mixtures which compositions are uniform or same, then it is homogeneous mixtures. And hetero means what are different. When the substance or mixtures they have the not definite composition or not uniform ratio, then it is what are heterogeneous mixtures. The example of homogeneous mixture are NaCl plus water. They are uniformly distributed throughout the solution or uniformly dissolved throughout the solution. Alloy is an also example of homogeneous mixtures. And the heterogeneous mixtures, what are the mixture of sand and stone, mixture of iron fillings and sulfur. This is heterogeneous mixtures, means they are the composition are not fixed and they are the separate easily. We have to, okay, and their individual properties are not lost. Next questions are, what are the difference between physical change and chemical change? So physical change means it is a reversible change in which no new substance will be formed. Okay, the change which are changed in their shape and their structurally, and they can only change their color. This is what are physical change. And then physical change only change in temperatures, okay, are changes. But in chemical changes, they are the permanent change and completely new substance will be formed, okay, in chemical changes, and it is irreversible changes. For example, of physical change are ice are melt into waters, the evaporation of water, okay, this one are the physical changes. Okay, melting of wax, it is also a physical changes. But burning of wax or candle, it is a chemical change. That time they are burned, they can lose their properties and now new compound are formed. The iron are get roasted, are changed into iron oxide. It is also a chemical changes. The ripening of fruits, it is also a chemical change. When the unripe fruit are ripe one again, then do not reversible. This is also a chemical changes. Okay. So next are the pure substance and mixtures. Pure substance means the substance which contain one kind of particles. That is what are pure substance. All the elements and compound are example of pure substance. The elements like hydrogen, oxygen, iron, gold means only one kind of particles are present, and the compound like water, pure waters, okay, NaCl, sodium chloride, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, CuSO4, copper sulfate, or are the compounds. Okay. So, and the mixtures means already we have discussed. Mixtures are the combination of two or more pure substance. Okay, then they are form what a mixture. And the next questions are concentrated solutions and diluted solution. Concentrated solution means they are the more strength and we are not added waters. Okay, these are the more strength like concentrated HCl, concentrated H2SO4. Okay, and diluted means this one when the concentrated acids are diluted means we are added water, then this one change into dilute solutions. Always one thing you remember, that time we had diluted and acids, we add acid in water drop wise. Okay, because we add water in acid, then they have the chance to break or explosion. Okay, that way always add drop wise the acid into water. Okay, and next some short type questions. Those are the mostly come in exams, and some questions we have discussed. The 1 mark questions or short type questions, those are come in exam. That is the define the term. Define the term or their definition. This is a 1 mark questions will come, like the elements, define elements. Okay, define compound. Okay, define mixture. Okay, define what is pure substance. Okay, define what is saturated solution. Okay, next are the define what is colloid. Okay, define what is suspension. What is okay suspensions. Next are the what is colloidal solution. Colloidal solutions. Next the term related to colloidal solution, that is the Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Okay, and next are the some important short type questions. What is what are solute, what are solvent, okay, and what is solution. Okay, so this is the some 1 mark type of questions which are the common exams or most important questions. These are the helpful okay to our exams. So all these things, I hope this is your homework. Okay, you write this all this term okay in a single sentence, one sentence, and their example also. Okay, I hope this video are helpful to all you, and all of you are stay home and keep your learnings. Okay, thank you for watching.